Hey guys, welcome to this week's edition of Commodity Corner. Today I will be looking at corn. So looking at the weekly charts from 2018, we see that price hasn't really moved that much, in 2018 to 2019. Presently, it's been at a range of around $3.3 here, if you can see here, to a high about $4. So it hasn't really moved that much within the last year or so. Now going down into the daily charts, just looking at what's happened recently, you see a big bearish bar that just occurred here. Price was in range here. It was really struggling to get past the 3.75 level here before kind of trying to break free and then retracing, and then another bearish bar, as you see here, pushing price down. But on the RSI, the indicator that I use, it doesn't really represent an oversold condition. It hasn't crossed the 30 level threshold. But as is always the case, sometimes you have to go into lower time frames to really get a clear picture of what price is doing. So now going into the 4-hour time frame, so we now see that bearish bar on the RSI. It has reached a level below 20, which it hasn't reached for, if you can see here, almost half a year, 6 months from September to now to I guess April 1st now, so 7-8 months now. So in this scenario, I'd be looking for a short-term buy, short-term retracement. I actually did enter this trade around here, but it's still not too late to enter this trade. If we're looking at this from the daily time frame again, you can see that you have this sort of support and resistance here where price wasn't able to break through, and then you have this low here, support and resistance, major support and resistance here as well at the 3.3 level when price touched here in July of 2018 and price touched here in September of 2018. Now I'm looking for a short-term buy, so I'm looking for the next possible support and resistance level that price might struggle at if it were to go up and bounce up as according to my strategy here. So I see here that price reached down to this point at 3.62 around here. So I'm looking for a short-term trade. I know that a lot of sellers have come in now and they might drive the price even further down, so I'd look for a short-term buy and place my take profit around here, 3.61 level, and then to really protect my capital, I like to protect my capital a lot, put my stop loss at a place where I know for sure that I'm wrong, and that's going to be right below the low here at the 3.28 level. Right here, that is my stop loss, and that's when I know for sure that I'm wrong. Take profit here. That's my take profit right there. That's my stop loss right there. So looking at this, I am going to long position. So I entered about here on the 4-hour. One. Put my stop loss right here. So the risk to reward ratio is 0.38, so it's not the best, it's not ideal, but looking at it from the other perspective, it's going to take a lot more for price to get to my stop loss. So the probability of this trade hitting my take profit is much higher. It's much greater than 50%, and sometimes you have to take these trades you know, to build up your capital slowly. Now you could put your stop loss somewhere else at the support and resistance over maybe here, to make it a more one-to-one kind of trade, if that's what you want, if that's what you prefer. You know, by all means, go for it. We all have our different trading strategies, or all different ways of putting stop losses to protect our capital. But you know, you have to remember, at the end of the day, it's all about protecting your capital, making sure that you have enough chips to bet. You know, if you don't have any chips, you can't bet, and if you don't bet, you can't win. But anyways, good luck for this week, guys. You know, I hope you guys are profitable. I'll be coming out with more analysis videos soon, as well as just general trading videos. Thanks again for watching, and good luck out there.